In this lecture, we are going to talk about the merge sort. So merge sort is a kind of best sorting algorithm which is considered in most of the libraries, even in some coding programs also. Internally, it uses merge sort. So if you talk about the worst time complexity, it comes out to be n log n, even in the best and average case also. So we generally consider the worst time complexity only in most of the problem solving questions. So that's why the merge sort comes out to be the one of the best sorting algorithm. Quick sort is also there, but merge sort is more popular. So if you talk about the merge sorting algorithm, the basic funda is to divide the array into two parts. So suppose if I am considering M as a middle, from left till middle and then middle to right, we need to divide this array until unless it goes till the end. After division, we need to merge that array in a sorted order, not in a normal way, but through this merge sort. After dividing into two parts and till the division gets completed, we then keep on merging the array, but not in normal way, but in a sorted way. This is how the merge sort works. So let's begin the coding program. So if I talk about this merge sort, we have this array. Suppose this is the array. Let me copy the example array only. Suppose this is the array. I need to provide a merge sort algorithm on this array so that we can get the output as sorted order. So this is the array which I have passed, the same array in the example, and I passed the starting index as 0 and end index as the last index. So let me compute this program, that while I need to n minus 1 till the last index. So I will go for the if left index comes out to be less than the right, then only compute this algorithm, otherwise directly print the array. So arrays dot toString and print the array. So that's what I am going to do. So the basic funda is to divide the array into two parts. So we can divide this array by taking the middle, like we can take int middle, or you can take int m equals. I generally go with dividing L right minus left by 2. This will be, you can go with this division, and since we have found the middle one, you can directly call this merge sort function and provide the array. So first part will be from left till middle, and second part will be from middle till end. So till end it will come out to be right one only, and starting index will be m plus 1. So what we have done, we have divided in from left till middle, and second part is from middle till right, and we are calling this recursively only so that it can divide all the array till it goes out to be L less than right one. And after this I will call another function. So I will call merge function, and in which I will just provide the array and the left index and the right index, and also I need to provide the middle one so that it can be provided in the sorted order. So let me create a function here. So I have created this function. I need to provide the logic for computation and sorting this array. So we can take two sizes. Let it be n1 for array 1 and n2 for array 2. So if you talk about the n1, so the size will be middle minus left 1 plus 1. This can become the size, and for n2 if I talk about, it will be right minus middle. This is how the two sizes will be provided there. And now for computation, we can go directly by creating an array. So array 1 I am creating, or you can say left array LARR equals new int, and size I can provide it n1. Similarly, I can provide the size of the other array as n2, and this will be the right array. And now I am going to provide the values from the initial array in the new array. So I will simply provide while, or you can go with for loop for int I equals 0, and you can go by creating the index and I less than the size, that is n1 I plus plus, and you can directly provide the array data in the first array. So it will be LARR, and the array data will be ith index will be equal to array at L plus I, and simply I can provide the data in the another array also. It will go from n equal to 1 to n equal to 2, and it will again be the right array. From the size will be from the middle index m plus 1 till the last index. So this is how this array will be computed. Now after this we need to provide the sorting. On the basis of that only we can provide the exact value provided in the array. So I can go like while, and I can create index I for the first array and j for the second array, that is for even and LARR and right ARR. So I am going to iterate these two arrays, and whatever comes out to be the lesser value at that index I will just provide in the main array from left till right point. So I will go for while index I is less than, you can say, n1, and j is just for second array is less than n2. I can simply go with the computation. The logic will be simple. If array at I is less than, left array at I is less than right array at j, simply provide the value and another index kind of variable I am taking to feed in the array. So index, and this index will be L. So index plus plus equals array at I. If this it is not array, left array is not less than right array at that moment, then put the another one, that is array at index plus plus equals array at the jth index. It will be j plus plus. Simply here it will be the left array and it will be I plus plus. After each iteration I am providing the values from the left and right array, whichever is less. And suppose any of the arrays length get exhausted, like I becomes less equal to n1 or j becomes equal to n2, then simply I need to copy the other part. Either left array can exhaust or either right array can exhaust. So simply I can provide while I is less than this one, then I can remove this part, else part is not required. Simply here in j is not required. So this is how we are providing the values in the array. So if I run this loop, I will get division from left till middle, and then from middle to the end, and simply I will provide this merge. And the merge, what I am doing, I am creating two array, left and right array. I am providing the values in these two arrays from last pointer and rightmost pointer, leftmost pointer and rightmost pointer, and this two arrays has been divided on the basis of the middle point which is given. And simply I am just doing a while loop in which I am sorting the array data and providing the main array. Sorting is done on the basis of checking whether the at particular index the leftmost array is having smaller data or the rightmost array is having smaller data, and whosever data is comes out to be less I am providing in the array. I can do like, instead of taking the index, I can take here L only, that is I can increment the leftmost path only because we are starting from the left only, and also from here I can provide this as the leftmost path, and I can remove this. It will be more visibly correct, so less error prone will be there. So I am doing this, simply provide plus plus and also provide plus plus. So that's fine. So we have started this index from the leftmost point and copied all the data in the first array and after that in the second array. And after providing the array, I am just incrementing the leftmost part and providing the sorted data till rightmost part. That's it. So if I run this, and the array which I am providing here is 5629130, and this will be sorted and this output will be coming. So here I can provide output is somewhat like that to make it more visually correct, and here I can provide input is the array, to string then array. That's it. So we have provided the input and output. If I run this as a Java application, see, initial data was this, and it has divided all the data and keep on sorting the data. So after sorting, it went till the last, and finally we got our answer. This is how this algorithm works. If I remove this part from here, and just after calling, if I provide it here, then again I'll provide this answer. See, this was the exact array, and after calling the merge sort, it got resolved to this. So this was about merge sort algorithm. First you need to divide it by taking any mid reference, and then you need to merge that array in a sorted order. I have done through creating two arrays and copying into the main array. That's it. Thank you all. Hope this video found to be useful for you. Thank you.